So here's how you can fix the no internet connection error in your TikTok account. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and make sure that your internet is stable. So what I'd suggest you to do is basically go over closer to your Wi-Fi router, and then so that way you have a stronger connection, and then try using TikTok from there. However, if that does not work, then what you can do is simply turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn on mobile data just like that, and then start using TikTok in your data, which is going to make it a lot smoother. However, what you can also do is go ahead and click on the three bars on the top right hand side, and then now you want to click on settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you find cache and cellular. Click on free up space, and then now you want to click on clear cache. Clear. And then once cache has been cleared, if that still does not work, then what you want to do is basically exit out, find TikTok again, and then you want to press and hold on the TikTok app. And then now you want to click on app info. So once you're in app info, what you want to do is scroll down, click on storage usage. And then you want to click on clear cache from here as well. And then what you also want to do is click on data usage. And then you want to click on disable Wi-Fi, disable mobile data, and basically disable all of these three just like that. And then finally you want to go back, go to storage again, and then you want to click on clear, and then click on clear cache, as well as clear data. So once you have cleared data and cleared everything, all you have to do is uninstall TikTok. And then once you uninstall TikTok, go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then find TikTok and install it from there. Again, we're just going to force it to update to the latest version to help it basically become new and get rid of all the junk and trouble that it might have to stop your connection from being connected.